What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be breeding, well, trying to breed Ghazt on Plant Island, because you guys suggested it in my last video. Well, more like second to last, but still, let's get to it. Come on, load. Okay. Oh, I'm on wobbling on. Oh, it's been a long time since I played my single Moses. I have no idea when. I haven't posted in a while. About, like, I haven't seen Moses in a while, yeah. Alright, let's go to Plant Island. Takes a long time to load. Alright, we're gonna be trying to breed Ghazt. If you didn't already know that. It won't load. Okay, it loaded. Time to collect the money. And the diamonds. Alright, let's breed it. It's MSM and T-Rocks. Pretty sure. Wait. Do I have any choices? No. Let's spin this. Ooh. Okay, it wasn't a chest. I was really hoping for a chest there. Let's just collect that. I'm not spending again. Alright, time to breed it. It's MSM and T-Rocks. MSM. T-Rocks. Oh, come on. Well, I'm just gonna have to breed them again, but like in a short video. I wanna go to Air Island to see the Colossal, because there's an Air Island Colossal now. I'm really hyped up for that. Alright, we're on the island. Oh, add. Who put themselves 3 times here? I don't even know if that's possible. I guess it is. Alright, we'll just collect the money, diamonds, and let's see how many I have left of the conundrum. Number 1. Alright, what did I get? 200,000 coins. That's a lot of money. Alright, this one is, man, I can't wait this long. 10 diamonds. Alright. Just gonna get my money back. Alright, 6 diamonds. I don't want to wait this long. Come on. Is that a million? I don't think that's a million. I think that's like 100,000. Alright, number 16. This is gonna be good, right? Okay, rare mammoth. Let's go. I don't know where to put that rare mammoth though. Okay, number I don't know which one this is, so let's count. 1 key. Right? And that's the last one. Alright. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, where I try again. Bye.